progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Four years back, and now we're having more than 60 centers across the country, and all is going to operational within 2-3 months. And now we have reached to Bangalore, and our aim to provide the best coaching, best infrastructure, and fair chance to play all the kids. And we have the best of coaches, level C, best of trainers, and international players who is coming to guide them. And I hope all the kids of Bangalore and Karnataka will get benefited out of it. So now school is ready and it's going to start next session. So now we are coming, that's why we got a bit late for this. But we have already planned many plans for the Bangalore, and we are not going to stop for one center. We are going to open all across the state, many centers where we can cater most of the kids.
I am excited to launch MS Dhoni Cricket Academy. The aim is to provide 360-degree training approach with the help of best techniques and technology to sharpen your skills. We'll bring qualified coaches and fitness experts. Register now and be ready to be part of my academy. It's not just about being a cricketer, it's about being a smart one. To learn the mental and physical skills of the game.
Uncle.